right, Superhero Stepdad back with a quick 3-card PSA order that I just got back. These are autograph cards that I had graded. They're all graded authentic, but I had the auto grades graded because these cards are special. Well, you'll know when you see them. I had a bunch of autograph cards that I had picked up, and I sent in most of them in an order, and then these 3 here I wanted to have, most of them I just sent in to have the autograph just graded as authentic, and that order is going to be back here probably in 2 weeks, and I'll make a video of that. But these cards are unique because the autos looked incredible, and the cards are really rare, and I wanted to see if I could get the autos graded, and hopefully they would come back a 10. So without further ado, let's see what we got. All right. First card is 85 Topps Roger Clemens rookie. You can see the auto, and we got auto 10. So let's see, authentic auto 10. I knew, like I said, the card wasn't going to grade that high. I mean, it doesn't matter what the card itself would grade. It probably would have graded maybe a 6 or 7, but that auto was fantastic. It's just beautiful, bright blue ink, and to get this in a 10, like recent comps on eBay of this are like, I don't know, I think like $300 or so. But yeah, very happy with that. That's what I was hoping for. So got that one. The second one is Fernando Valenzuela. He doesn't have many cards that he has signed. The auto, I was a little concerned that this could get a 9 auto because it's hard to pick up on here, but there's some like not too bold of a print on where he signed it. We got a 10. Authentic 10. This is from an 89 Fleer, not his rookie obviously, but it's a beautiful autograph card in bright blue. That is such an awesome signature. Love it. Fantastic card. This one, I don't know if I would have graded this dual. If the card, now there's like some chipping up there. No, this wouldn't have graded a 10, the card. So I figured just get the authentic card grade and the auto grade a 10. That's what I was hoping for. We got it. The last one is the one that I was hoping the most for to get a 10 because, well, you'll see who the player is. Kirby Puckett. And this card is incredibly beautiful, Bowman. That auto it's like color match, if you will, for the autograph, the ink to the card. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And I was like, please, can we just get a 10 on this one? Because it's fantastic. Gorgeous autograph, takes up the whole card. And I mean, he passed away years ago, rest in peace, Kirby, one of the best. And there's just hardly any examples of 10 auto grade cards of Kirby Puckett. We got a 10. Authentic card, auto 10. Just look at that. That is a gorgeous signature. Comps for 10 autos are like $400 to $600, given somewhere in that range. This is just a beautiful card. The card itself was rough, as you can see, but I wasn't concerned with that. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. One of the most stunning examples of an on-card auto of his, with it, the red matches the uniform and everything for the Twins, and it's just a stunning card. Love it. So there we have them. Kirby, Clemens, and Fernando. Like I said, I have more. I have this order here that I had sent, or that I made a video of. It's in my other channel, or my other videos. And I have 20 or so other autograph cards that'll be back that are just going for authentic. There's all kinds of players in that. And I'll put that as soon as they get back. All right. Thanks for watching. See ya.